Think those old paper systems are just a minor hassle? Well, let's see what they're really costing you.
So, does this sound familiar? These manual processes are probably slowing you down more than you realize.
It's not just about paper and storage. You've got extra manpower, tracking risks. The costs really add up.
How much more? Well, on average, these inefficiencies cost businesses 2 to 3 times more than going digital. Okay, so there is a way to eliminate these costs and just streamline your entire operation. Let's check it out.
And this isn't just another visitor system. It's a whole platform designed for total operational excellence.
And the crucial point is this: your staff is now free to focus on much higher value work.
All right, let's see how this works. It's a powerful toolkit where you can pick and choose what you need.
So you can manage visitors, digitize all your registers, and track every single thing moving in or out. It also covers service and security. Think help desks, geotagged patrols, and even QR code campaigns.
And here's what's really great. If you need something specific, custom features can be built just for you.
So, what does this all mean for your bottom line? Let's get into the real value and the results.
You can expect a huge reduction in admin and security staff effort. We're talking 25 to 35%. This translates directly to faster audits, real-time visibility, and happier staff and customers. It's a win-win.
So, the bottom line is simple. The platform pretty much pays for itself right from day one.
Getting started is super straightforward, and the pricing is tailored directly to your business needs.
They use a simple 4-step process to make sure the solution fits your exact requirements perfectly.
The idea is simple. You only pay for what you need. This lets you grow at your own pace.
So, if you're ready to transform your operations, you can book a personalized consultation to learn more.
So the big question is, what could your team achieve if they got back 35% of their time?